Coming soon in 2026, the Mitsubishi Pajero Sport will reimagine the midsize SUV market. With updated technology and enhanced engineering, Mitsubishi is getting ready to unveil the next edition of the Pajero Sport, which will continue the SUV's legacy of dependability, power, and off-road prowess. An engineering prototype was recently seen testing, giving us a look at what Mitsubishi has in store for individuals that value performance, adaptability, and durability. It is believed that this new model will improve upon the Pajero Sport's driving experience while retaining the rugged good looks of the original. According to spy photos of the prototype, the 2026 Mitsubishi Pajero Sport would take design cues from the company's newest pickup truck, the Triton. The front fascia is very Triton-esque, and the rest of the vehicle looks like the present Pajero Sport. It is typical procedure in the automotive business to test new chassis beneath current bodies, and this may be Mitsubishi doing the same. The bigger wheel apertures are a telltale sign of frame alterations that could improve off-road performance and strengthen the vehicle's stance. Two noticeable enhancements. These upgrades show that Mitsubishi is serious about making the Pajero Sport a competitive midsize SUV by combining tough construction with cutting-edge innovation. The Ford Everest and Toyota Fortuner are among the Pajero Sport's primary rivals, and they are also based on pickup truck architecture. Similar to the Triton, it has a sturdy and dependable framework that works well for both daily driving and off-road activities. The Pajero Sport is able to effortlessly traverse tough terrains because to its ladder frame structure, which guarantees great durability. Drivers looking for a compromise between tough performance and family-friendly usability often choose it because of its design approach. Using this as a starting point, the next model will likely add cutting-edge innovation to boost convenience and performance. Speculation has it that a 2.4-liter twin-turbocharged four-cylinder diesel engine will be under the hood of the 2026 Pajero Sport. This engine is powerful and economical, with an estimated 150 kilowatts of power and 470 Nm of torque. Better acceleration and hauling capability should be possible with the twin-turbo setup's enhanced responsiveness and torque delivery. For consistent power delivery in a variety of terrains, this engine is anticipated to be mated to a state-of-the-art automatic gearbox, most likely an 8-speed model. Also incorporated is Mitsubishi's famous Super Select 4WD system, which provides multiple drive modes to conquer highways, rough off-road trails, and any other type of terrain. After being on the market for almost a decade, the latest Pajero Sport model has maintained its reliability since its 2015 debut. Late 2025 will see the unveiling of the replacement, according to Mitsubishi, with a worldwide launch anticipated for the year's second half. The first units are expected to reach markets like Australia by early 2026, starting a new chapter for this popular model. As a result of the Pajero Sport's success in markets like Southeast Asia, Australia, and even some parts of Europe, Mitsubishi is likely to make upgrades that appeal to city dwellers as well as those who want to use their vehicles off-road. Digital representations created by car designers imply a refinement of the design rather than a radical overhaul. Even though official information are few, the prototype retains the unique character of the Pajero Sport while sporting a more aggressive and contemporary look, thanks to its elevated bonnet and relocated headlamps. With chrome elements and a more prominent look, the front grille is set to showcase Mitsubishi's current dynamic shield design language, elevating its road presence. The daytime running lights and LED headlights will probably blend in with the front fascia, giving the vehicle an aggressive appearance. Expect the Pajero Sport's side profile to keep its rugged good looks and off-road prowess with its sculpted lines and wide wheel arches. To enhance aerodynamics and passenger volume, the vehicle's body may undergo minor revisions. The Pajero Sport will keep its capability to handle difficult terrains thanks to its higher ground clearance, and it will look more modern with revised alloy wheels. It is believed that Mitsubishi will modernize the Pajero Sport's taillights while retaining the model's distinctive vertical layout. To make it more tough, it might get a sportier bumper and skid plates built in. The 2026 Pajero Sport's cabin is expected to receive a major facelift for the better in terms of amenities, functionality, and technology. Drawing design cues from the most recent Triton, Mitsubishi is said to unveil a roomier and more elegant cabin. You may expect a larger touchscreen infotainment system, navigation, and premium sound on the dashboard. It will also be able to link to your smartphone. Modern digital instrument displays have the potential to supplant analog gauges by delivering data in real time through an intuitive and adaptable interface. It is also possible to upgrade the interior's feel by adding soft-touch materials and premium upholstery options. Comfort on long flights will be our first priority, so we're designing our seats with extra padding and support. Elevated trim levels often come with opulent features like ventilated front seats, power-adjustable seats, and leather upholstery. Flexible arrangements for the second and third row seats should be available, enabling more cargo capacity to be utilized as needed. It is believed that Mitsubishi will prioritize the improvement of noise insulation, which will lead to a reduction in cabin noise and an overall more comfortable driving experience. With its improved climate control systems, the Pajero Sport will be able to withstand a wide range of weather conditions. The Pajero Sport will soon get cutting-edge electronics from Mitsubishi that will make it safer, more connected, and more convenient. Adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and autonomous emergency braking are all part of Mitsubishi's most recent active safety suite. To further enhance visibility and control in difficult terrains, off-road assistance technologies, including hill descent control, terrain management systems, and a 360-degree video system, can be integrated. The suspension and drivetrain could possibly get upgrades as a result of Mitsubishi's innovation drive, which would be great for the car's handling and comfort. The new Pajero Sport will have better off-road capability, which is a crucial feature. It should be more capable of handling difficult terrains thanks to the revised chassis and frame improvements, which improve its durability and flexibility. For a more secure and comfortable ride, consider upgrading the suspension to one with more articulation and shock absorption. Super Select 4WD systems typically have many modes that let drivers choose between low-range gearing, rear-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, and more for optimal traction. Expected improvements to water-weighting capability and approach/departure angles will keep the Pajero Sport a solid pick for off-road lovers. The Pajero Sport may be out of stock here in the US right now, but it's still a popular choice in many other countries. The expansion of Mitsubishi's body-on-frame vehicle lineup may pave the way for new collaborations with companies like Nissan and Honda, which could shape advancements in the future. In an attempt to increase fuel economy and conform to more stringent emission standards, Mitsubishi is reportedly planning to release hybrid or plug-in hybrid versions in the near future. The base price of a 2026 Mitsubishi Pajero Sport is likely to be around $45,000, with the top trim level potentially costing as much as $60,000. At this price point, it can compete with other midsize SUVs in its class thanks to its upgraded design, technology, and performance. Mitsubishi is anticipated to release further specifics in the coming months, although the actual launch date is still up in the air. The 2026 Mitsubishi Pajero Sport will dominate its class because to its daring good looks, cutting-edge amenities, and legendary dependability. Its release is a major milestone for Mitsubishi as the company refines and expands its SUV range, which combines durability and technological advancement. Whether you're navigating metropolitan streets, lengthy highways, or rough terrain, the new Pajero Sport is designed to provide a stable and competent ride. Lots of people are getting excited about what might be a major release in the mid-size SUV sector as Mitsubishi gets ready for its official reveal. It is believed that the mid-size SUV market will be introduced to a new degree of sophistication, capability, and technology with the 2026 Mitsubishi Pajero Sport. The forthcoming Pajero Sport is expected to keep its rugged appeal while integrating modern design, performance, and safety features as Mitsubishi continues to modernize its SUV lineup. The Pajero Sport has been a go-to for people who need a tough and adaptable car for a long time, and the 2026 model is going to continue the trend with a fresh look, a plusher cabin, and better engine choices. The 2026 Pajero Sport is anticipated to carry on Mitsubishi's tradition of design that prioritizes functional elements with striking aesthetics. Although it will be smaller and more intricately designed, the front grille will still be instantly identifiable as a Mitsubishi. Sleek, high-efficiency headlights that include LED technology will be more noticeable, adding to the SUV's aggressive look while also improving visibility. To keep the Pajero Sport's unique appearance on the road, its front and back lights will likely mirror Mitsubishi's characteristic style. In order to boost fuel efficiency without sacrificing the rugged SUV appearance, the body design will be more aerodynamic. A more aerodynamic design will improve performance by increasing airflow and decreasing drag. To give the Pajero Sport an aggressive air, Mitsubishi might release new wheel designs with bigger and sportier rims. Staying true to its roots, the vehicle will keep its high ground clearance, making it ideal for off-road activities. Depending on the model, travelers will have the option to add a roof rack as an extra feature that allows them to carry extra cargo when needed. We anticipate that the 2026 Pajero Sport's inside will get a significant facelift with new materials, technologies, and an improved design. For an air of refined sophistication, Mitsubishi is likely to utilize high-end materials like leather, alcantara, and accents of wood or metal. The driver will have easy access to all controls thanks to the ergonomically designed interior, a great option for families and adventurers. The Pajero Sport seats will have an upgraded ergonomic design to maximize comfort on extended travels. The second and third rows also offer plenty of space for passengers. At its core will likely be a bigger and better infotainment touchscreen that integrates with the most recent connectivity capabilities such as voice control, navigation, and smartphone compatibility. Modern and informative, the digital instrument panel of a Mitsubishi will offer personalization choices so drivers can make it their own. Passengers will have plenty of area to store their items thanks to the more efficiently constructed storage space overall. With cutting-edge driver assistance technology that improves both comfort and security, Mitsubishi has made safety a top priority for the 2026 Pajero Sport. As an added safety measure, it will come equipped with features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, and blind spot monitoring. To further enhance visibility and mobility in confined areas, the SUV will be fitted with features such as automatic emergency braking, rear cross-traffic detection, and a 360-degree video system. When it comes to performance, fans of the 2026 Pajero Sport are hoping for a range of engine options that will meet a variety of demands while also enhancing fuel economy and decreasing emissions. A diesel engine that incorporates an electric motor is one option. This would allow for better fuel efficiency, in addition to powerful low-end torque. The Pajero Sport might get higher gas mileage with this mild hybrid tech, and diesel engines are notoriously dependable and long-lasting. A compact turbocharged gasoline engine that strikes a good mix between power and fuel economy is another probable alternative. Mitsubishi is considering incorporating state-of-the-art technology like variable valve timing and direct injection into this engine to enhance power delivery while reducing fuel consumption, potentially attracting eco-conscious consumers looking for a compromise between electric efficiency and conventional combustion power. A hybrid gasoline engine might be unveiled as well. The combination of the electric motor and gasoline engine would allow for more gradual acceleration while using less gas. An additional efficiency upgrade for the 2026 Pajero Sport could be a start-stop technology that reduces engine power when the vehicle comes to a complete stop, like a traffic light. Efficient fuel economy in urban settings is achieved when the driver applies the accelerator as the engine restarts promptly. The next-gen Pajero Sport is expected to come standard with this system, which is becoming increasingly prevalent in current SUVs. With its 8-speed automatic transmission, the SUV will provide a silky smooth ride with lightning-fast gear changes. With its state-of-the-art all-wheel drive technology, Mitsubishi vehicles will remain a showstopper, no matter the terrain. Additional electrical upgrades will most likely improve the Super Select 4 DVD system, which let drivers to select between driving modes, making off-road driving more intuitive and controllable. With anticipated upgrades to suspension tuning, approach and departure angles, and terrain management systems, the Pajero Sport's off-road performance is sure to continue to be a major selling point. A sturdy framework for negotiating difficult terrains is provided by the ladder frame design, which is also shared with the Mitsubishi Triton pickup truck. We anticipate a more controlled and pleasant ride on roads and rough terrain alike from the 2026 Pajero Sport thanks to its upgraded articulation and cutting-edge transmission. Markets with a high demand for body-on-frame SUVs will continue to see the 2026 Pajero Sport marketed as a worldwide model. Mitsubishi will target important markets in Southeast Asia, Australia, and portions of Europe, but the US is not expected to be one of them. This SUV can hold its own against the likes of the Toyota Fortuner and the Ford Everest, thanks to its blend of off-road capability, contemporary comfort, and technology. Based on the features and options provided, the base model of the 2026 Mitsubishi Pajero Sport is likely to start at around $45,000, while higher trim levels can go up to $60,000. taking into account the enhancements to the design, technology, and performance. The price range will put it in a competitive position within the midsize SUV sector. There is a lot of anticipation for Mitsubishi's upcoming 2026 Pajero Sport official reveal because it is shaping up to be a major SUV release in the years to come. Keeping the same tough and dependable qualities that have made the Pajero Sport a global favorite, the next-generation model promises an improved driving experience with a redesigned exterior, cutting-edge technology, and increased efficiency. There will be a wide spectrum of drivers satisfied by the 2026 Pajero Sport's well-rounded package, which includes options for city commuting, long-distance trips, and off-road excursions.